This is a chair.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
It is not. No, it isn't.
Of course not. It's an orange. We know this because of its features. It's round, orange, and grows on trees, and we've seen lots of them all over the country. This is a controlled demolition. We know this because of its features. It's rigged by experts, collapses at near freefall acceleration into its own footprint, and we've seen lots of them all over the country. And this is the World Trade Centers on 9/11.
A building was deliberately destroyed by well-placed dynamite to knock it down.
The entire building has just collapsed as if a demolition team set off. When you see the old demolitions of these old buildings, it folded down on itself and it is not there anymore.
It was if they had detonated.
Yeah,
if they were planned to take down a building. Boom, 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 boom.
Now ask yourself, was this the work of controlled demolition on 9/11? Or was it a chair?